The spoon is floating in the air.
Hello, Coco. This is my time machine kitchen. We must cook before the sun sets, Coco.
Oh.
Look, magic cooking tools from the past. Rule number 1, always ask permission first.
Grind, grind, grind your herbs around.
Wow, another magic pot from history.
Oh, when you make buenas, then esposa.
We're halfway done. 3 more dishes to make.
Ooh, a shiny blender from the future.
Let's make a healthy fruit smoothie together.
Rule number 3, blenders need grown-up help.
Most important rule, knives are only for adults.
Never ever touch them.
Slice, slice, slice. Perfect carrot rounds. We made a fresh, healthy salad together. 4 dishes done. Look, a magic table for our feast. Let's set the table with all our yummy food.
Let me teach you the 3 kitchen safety rules.
Rule 2, never touch hot things without mitts.
Secret ingredient in every meal is love and care for family. Look, the sunset just we peed.
Cleanup is part of cooking too. Let's all help together.
Working together makes cleanup fast and fun. Oh my, the little cubs are getting very sleepy. Time for little cubs to go home and sleep.
Thank you for dinner. See you tomorrow.
Coco, this recipe book is now yours. Keep learning and teaching.
Thank you for cooking and learning with us today.
Remember, always cook safely with someone you love. Goodbye, friends! If you loved cooking with Coco and Grandpa, smash that like button and tell us your favorite recipe in the comments below.